everyday life in the Soviet Union, the shopping runaround. The author Hedrick Smith was heard of the New York Times office in Moscow from 1964. The following passage in the edit from Mr. Smith book The Russian, which was published 1976 by Conrad, the New York Times Book Company. 1. I had heard about customer storage before going to Moscow, but only when we began to shop there did the Russian customer problem really have meaning for me. Customer, the work over with in liners, but Soviet liners have a social quality all specifically the Soviet woman spend 2 hours a day in line, 7 days a week. Personality I have now of people who stood in line 90 minutes to buy 4 finfast and horse to buy 3 large heads of cape, only to find the crabbers were gone as they overhead the front of the line can run for a few years to nearly a mile. Some friends of ours which enlighten people in scum signing of the by racks. The line lasts 2 days and night and run for across all talk and apartment development. 2. In spite of all of this, the natural active of a Russian woman when she sees a line forming is a get in immediately. Soviet lanes are more fluid than they ever. In most stores, for example, sports must stand in not one but their line for any feature. The first to slid vehicles and find out its phrase. The second to play a cashier somewhere else in the store and get a refund, and the third to get pick up the vouchers and turn in the refund. 3. But in daily store, one morning I found out that the game is both simple and more complex than that. I went to buy some cheese, butter, and bolognese sauce, which were in their spare department, each with house line 9 lists. 4. Later quickly took I notes that experienced so far were giving the first stage. They know what most item cost, to say when directly to the cashier for their recaps. After studying French, I did that too. Then I went to Cheese Lane. The langers probably 20 people to get the worst over with first. I was in line less than a minute when the woman in front of me asked me to help her place. She delves off the butter and milk line. The cheese line was moving the slowly that she got her butter and milk and returned before we had advanced 3 feet and decided to take the risk too, and got back with my butter while the cheese line was in catching alone. 5. Then I steadily echoed do me that all over the store. People were getting into line, holding place, leaving, returning, everyone. We using the cheese line as home base. That was why it was barely moving. It kept inviting in the middle. So I got the man begged me to hold my place, and I went off to buy my Balgona, which again it worked. It took me 22 minutes to buy butter, sauce, and cheese, but instead of being Persian, I feel I had beaten the system. 6. This competition shopping gives an atmosphere and tension to Russia life. People back into store and bump into each other with face set in combat and friendship. You have to understand, said a kind, gray-haired person, that for us, as long as we can remember, shopping has been a struggle, life as a struggle. 7. There is hardly any effective advancing to help suffer. American complaint about the contract commercial in the United States, but they make records if they were exposed to the consumer boycott in Russia. A typical Soviet and make be if you went to live, arrive old and be beautiful mods. Truck and truth, drink tea, most new paper, publish which else. The software has no hand, yellow fix, or daily newspaper, supermarket, or department store and help decide where to shop. 8. Bubbly is wet first, low fat, 80 to 20 monthly. Selectly take a version of effective times and sell them to regular customer who have egg left bread and adverse or can be caught on to pay high price on deliver. Then on 50 rubles on the 60 rob rake stand. In 1976, the rob weighs equivalent to 132. 9. So common in this perspective that the Soviet press is always complain about it, but doesn't do any good. Crocodile, the Soviet humor magazine, owns with a department store. Employer promotion some newly arrived item. Their customer in the leather goods department. 50 important women person have been received. 450 of them have been booked by store employers. 49 are under the country and have been ordered in depth for friends. One first in the display window when any fate you to visit the leather department to buy this first. Main idea paragraph 1. In the description and the definition of shopping in the Soviet Union, to short lace, long lines, and extended wait time were common, and customers often did not get the goods they needed after waiting. For the example, paragraph 1, similar situation occurred in Cuba during the economic embargo, where people had to wait in long lines to obtain basic necessities. Paragraph 2, main idea, Soviet citizen tends to join lines with you knowing what was being sold due to frequent surge. Shopping was in fashion because customers had to wait monthly time to complete a single transaction. For the example, paragraph 2, Venezuela during the economic crisis in the 2010 store also experienced surge and long lines which from before people know what was available, mirroring the Soviet experience. Main idea, paragraph 3. The author describes their experience in the daily store in the Soviet Union where they had to join multiple lists to buy different items, making shopping complex and time-consuming. For the example, paragraph 3. During the economic crisis in Greece in the 2010, as long waits in multiple lines for limit supplies become a common expensive for customers trying to buy essentials. Paragraph 4. Main idea, the other quickly learns from experience. Soviet hoppers who besides some linens and went directly to the cashier, replacing the adaptly of customer to different system. For the example, paragraph 4. In Zimbabwe, during time of devaluation, Sofar also launched to navigate chaotic shopping department. Sometimes using informal methods to society goods ahead of others. Paragraph 5. Main idea, the practice of holding place in the linens with people constantly moving in the out of shoes, which confides in diverse and precise. For the example, in Cuba during time of ration, people would often leave personal items to hold their place in long lists for food or fuel. For main idea, paragraph 6. Competitive shopping. Fragged by people aggressively trying to score goods, creating tension in Soviet society, with shopping being seen a struggle for survival. For the example, in Venezuela during the economic crisis, similar tension aroused people rushed into stores for scarce goods like food, medicines. For main idea, paragraph 7. The lack of effective advertising in the Soviet Union left customers with much information about where to shop or which was available. For example, in North Korea, government control over investing and markets leaves people with little knowledge about product availability, contributes in implication in shopping. Paragraph 8. Main idea, briefly was devised in Soviet store with sales circularly reversing item for customer who plan extra offerings, prepares in adventures. For the example, Venezuela, as search become more safer, Beverly and black market dealings become common with people paying extra to access scarce goods. For the main idea, paragraph 9. The practice of employers in serving or talking the best product for themselves before selling them to the public was common and was even decided in Soviet humor. For the example, paragraph 9. In Argentina during the 1980 hyperinflation, employers in some business which hard goods or sell them took universal channel before they reached store service contributing to a culture of scarcity.